morning. Today's Friday, and we're gonna be doing some things on my truck since I'm gonna start welding now. We're gonna, as you can see right here in the back, there's my generator. I need to build some things to secure my toolbox. A toolbox that I bought on OfferUp for $30. It's a Husky aluminum box. You guys will see it later on. So right now we're going to my shop, to my dad's shop. And we're gonna do everything over there. We're gonna see how everything comes out. That's my view right now. And we are here arriving at Dave's Tires shop. So here's my truck. It's a Ford F-150. Here's the toolbox that I bought for $30. And we're gonna be setting it up right here. I will show you guys later how I do that. That's my generator. I do arc welding. I did this because it's too weak, since the truck is a little bit old, and I didn't want to be stepping on the bed and falling into it. it looks now. The base of my toolbox that I did. And that opening is for my oxygen, so I could be carrying it. Here's how the box is looking after my brother polishing it. He's not done with it. He said he's gonna finish polish all these are right here and this right here. Waking up another day. The process on my truck is looking good. Looking really good. My brother is polishing it, my box. I reset up the base where he's gonna be sitting it, and I think today I'm gonna be doing my first job with it. We'll see how it looks today. So here's the ending looking of my truck. Got my jackets right there, my respirator, safety glasses, bunch of safety glasses. My oxygen. I still need to get the other tank, the small one. My toolbox. Start working now.